Hi everyone, Marianne here with Stampin' Up, and I just wanted to do a video here on Stampin' Up, re-inkers, and rubbing alcohol. I had put a card that I made on the blog a couple weeks ago using this technique, and I love it, and told you I'd get you a video out on how to do it, so here it is. Let's get started. Several different ways that you can use re-inkers, Stampin' Up re-inkers, and rubbing alcohol to make beautiful, beautiful backgrounds. And I'm just going to show you some of my favorites. You can also use water to do this technique. I like rubbing alcohol because it dries quicker. It dries very quickly, and I'm very impatient, so I can get right on with my cards and go ahead and use my backgrounds. Today, I'm going to be using Coastal Cabana, Gorgeous Grape, and Mango Melody. I have some glossy paper here and rubbing alcohol. Three different techniques that I like to use. I'm going to show you all three, so we'll get started. First thing you want to do is generously spritz alcohol onto your glossy paper. Add several drops of your re-inker, and this is the Gorgeous Grape. And we are going to do the Coastal Cabana. And I'm going to use a coffee filter. Scrunched up coffee filter. Love this technique. You are just going to move that ink around. And then you can give it a little spritz. A little bit. Beautiful background. Technique number one. The second technique we're going to do, very similar. Spritz your background. And again, I'll use the Gorgeous Grape and the Coastal Cabana. This is a very messy technique, so you want to have something to protect your work surface with. And this time I'm going to use a baby wipe. Baby wipe will give you just a little bit different texture than the coffee filter did. Kind of more of a sponged look. You can see the difference here. Two different techniques. And the third technique is a sponge technique. I just use a sponge. I'm going to spritz again. A little bit more there. And when I do this one, I like to do the colors separately instead of adding both at the same time. Even a different technique there. You can see that. I love the vibrant, bold backgrounds that you get with these. I'm going to show you some that I had made previously. And then I'll show you a card sample here. Here's one with those colors again. A couple of different color combination. That is the coffee filter technique. Another one, coffee filter. And then I want to show you a completed card. This is the card that I had put up on the blog previously. When I did this is one of the first backgrounds that I did, and I wasn't real sure about the background. Wasn't really sure if I liked that or not. So I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and try it, and got the stamps out, and this is what I came up with, and I love this background. I love how it's stamped. I just love how it shows through. So as you can see, it's a vibrant background. It's very bold, and I love that about it. So just get out your reinkers. So many different uses for these reinkers, and that's just one of the great things that you can do with them. And get them out and just play a little bit, and I would love to see what you do. Thanks.